Yeah, I see two van, but I don't know panel van them, you know. A two of them high-end luxury van there. You see me? Yeah, you know the Hardy them type of van there. See? And the place look like a warehouse. You see? And it's surrounded by whole heap of cameras. So I just dead up on the same spot and me I do a TikTok video and a preps at the same time. So I go down the road, go all a drink, and the vendor brother tell me say him see them van there pass through frequently, and one at the time them him see 6 or 7 females that exit the same van one time.
Bubbles, we can't go search the place.
Alright, that's a good idea, Tonya. But without evidence, no judge not gonna give you no kind of warrant for going to that place there.
Judge have to do that?
Yeah. What have me curious though, Whisper, is that you say the vendor tell you say him see movement of females and are during the day.
Yeah, me I wonder about it, you know. But just the fact that the place didn't even have no brand name and nothing like that, it look like a warehouse. So, and then me I see be a camera. Me just can't stay right there so too long either because me I gonna look suspicious. So I just take on me here and we have to try to work around it.
Alright, so the next order of business is to find out who run the place.
But him said the place now have no name.
There are lots of ways around that, Tony. You will learn. Which road it upon?
Yeah, it depends.
Could the owner of this place kindly open the door?
Who?
Bubbles, Bubbles. Don't do that. And don't teach the people them to do them kind of things there. Kindly come and open the door. And you know me will open it.
Come in, Shepherd.
Massa, make you take so long to open the door?
How can I help you, Shepherd?
No. It's how I can help. Oh no. Is what? Afraid or not afraid of me? Well, you can't come in. Fight involve Uno. Then young man, I make you turn up over the thief like they start you. Free up yourself, man, free up yourself.
Me alright, man, me alright. Bossy, how this?
Whisper.
No worry yourself, man. You soon know how me. Ask a young lady there.